In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Calendly workflows in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a busy professional or managing schedules for a team, setting up automated workflows can save you a significant amount of time. So let's dive right into how you can streamline your scheduling operations. First, head over to your Calendly account. This is where all the magic starts. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so. Otherwise, simply log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the sidebar. There, you'll find an option labeled Workflows. Click on it and then select Create Workflow. This is your command center for setting up all the tasks you want Calendly to handle automatically. Next, you need to choose the specific type of meeting for which you want to automate workflows. Calendly allows different meeting types, so ensure you select the one most relevant to your needs. This ensures that the automations you set up apply only to those types of meetings, keeping your processes neat and organized. After selecting your meeting type, it's time to add actions. A popular first step is to set up a confirmation email. This automated email reassures your invitees that their meeting is scheduled and lets them know any important details or instructions. Think about other actions you might want Calendly to automate, perhaps follow-up emails or reminders. These can be configured here as well. When you're satisfied with your settings, make sure to save the workflow. This will ensure that all your actions are stored and ready to be executed the next time someone books a meeting. The next step is to incorporate Zapier, a powerful tool for integration and automation across different applications. But first, you'll need an API token from Calendly. Within your Calendly account, locate the API token section and securely copy your token. This token is like a key that allows Zapier to interact with Calendly. Now, with your API token in hand, go to Zapier. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. Otherwise, log in to your existing one. Within Zapier, you'll want to add Calendly as a trigger. When prompted, paste the API token you copied earlier. This linkage lets Zapier recognize and respond to activities in your Calendly. To ensure everything is set up correctly, create a test meeting in Calendly. This helps confirm that the scheduling tool and Zapier are communicating properly. Once your test meeting is in place, go back to Zapier and click on Add Action. Here, you'll choose what app or service you want to connect with Calendly. Think about platforms like Google Sheets, CRM systems, or email marketing tools. As you set up your actions, make sure to map fields like name, email, and date accordingly. Proper field mapping ensures that all the necessary information is passed between Calendly and your chosen app without any hiccups. Finally, once you've confirmed that everything works smoothly in your test run, click Activate. Your workflows are now live, and you're on your way to more efficient scheduling. Enjoy the newfound efficiency and get ready to tackle the more strategic aspects of your schedule with your newfound free time.